I am going to the mall today. I am going to the mall today.
I found a great sale today. I found a great sale today.
I need to buy some new clothes. I need to buy some new clothes. How much does this shirt cost? How much does this shirt cost? Excuse me, where is the fitting room? Excuse me, where is the fitting room? This dress looks really nice on me. This dress looks really nice on me. I want to try these shoes on. I want to try these shoes on. Do you have this in a bigger size? Do you have this in a bigger size?
Let me check the price tag first. Let me check the price tag first.
Can I get a bag for this, please? Can I get a bag for this, please? I will pay with my card, please. I will pay with my card, please.
I love shopping at the mall. I love shopping at the mall.